Hello and welcome to another Saturday Scribbles video. In this video, I'll be drawing 4 more facial expressions that you can use for your cartoon characters or whatever you're drawing on. If you remember, last time we worked on facial expressions, I drew a face on a banana, for example. So you just never know when these expressions will come in handy. The first expression is what I like to think of as, I just woke up, I'm in a daze.
And I thought that it looked really weird this way.
It looked really weird. That's why we draw your color in the pupils or eyes or whatever you want to think of it as. I did just black Sharpie pen, but you could do this with an actual color. I was just trying to make it simple and to give you an idea. And I mean, depending on how you look at it, probably because of the black Sharpie, they kind of look like alien eyes, like the little green alien classic style, but that's okay. I still think it works. And if things look overexposed, I apologize. This next look is inspired by Naja. It is a Chinese animated film, and I love it. And so if you see the look and you're like, oh, that looks really familiar, where do I know that from? That's what it's from. And I think it's still on Netflix if that's something you ever want to check out. But this is kind of like the smug / bored look, depending on how you view it. I think it's more smug than bored, but I could see where it could be interpreted as either. This next look, I can't decide what I think it looks more like. On the one hand, it's like a determined kind of look. Like, haha, you think you've got the best of me, but I'll show you. Bahaha. Kind of challenger type look. I don't know how to describe it, but those are the vibes. But I like it. And then this last look is like the happy cry. Kind of like when you're like, oh, it was such a beautiful moment. It brought tears to my eyes. But you're not sad. You're happy. It could also be like relief tears. Like, oh, I'm so glad. Like, it finally stopped raining and the sun came out. And these are the final looks. I hope that you can use them in your art as well. And thank you so much for watching.